Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a PayPal business account for Shopify. First, you'll need to either create a new PayPal business account or upgrade your existing personal one. Once that's done, log into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the Settings section, and then click on Payments to begin the integration process. This initial step is crucial for a smooth setup. Next, within your Shopify payment settings, select PayPal as your preferred payment provider. Shopify will then securely redirect you to the PayPal website. Here, you'll log into your PayPal business account and grant the necessary permissions for Shopify to process transactions on your behalf. Carefully review these permissions to ensure everything is correct before confirming the connection. After connecting, return to Shopify to fine-tune your PayPal settings. You can adjust options like supported currencies to match your store's offerings. I highly recommend enabling PayPal Express Checkout, which offers your customers a faster, one-click purchasing experience. Also, remember to set up instant payment notifications in your PayPal account for real-time order updates. Finally, it's essential to perform a few test transactions to confirm that your PayPal integration is working perfectly. Make sure orders are correctly registered in Shopify and that funds appear in your PayPal account. Once you've verified everything, you can confidently announce PayPal as a payment option to your customers and monitor your first live sales.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.